Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Hank from the new movie Paws of Fury. So I think this is going to turn out really cute. Please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. And also feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, because we draw things here every single day and we would love to have you here joining us. All right, so let's get started. All right, so to start our drawing of Hank, I'm going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to do a shape like this, and another one right next to it, very similar shape. And let's do some circles there in that shape. Okay, and I'm going to do a small circle here, small circle right here, and then a circle kind of behind that one, and we can color that one in all black. Okay, now next let's do little eyebrows. And we can color those in black too if we want. Okay, now let's go down a little bit and do a great big nose. There we are, great big nose. And let's see, let's start with a bit of shaping the face. So top of the head here, and we can come on down, do a little bit of a cheek, and come on down towards the nose. And he needs ears, but we'll get to that now in a bit. Come on down here for a little bit of a cheek. And we're going to do the top part of his mouth. Just come along here by underneath the nose. Give him a bit of a smile. And then the bottom part of his mouth. All right, and maybe we'll have his mouth open a bit. So this little part here I just drew, I'm going to color that in all black. Okay, so now let's draw a line coming here in between the eyes. Just coming on down and kind of extends here by the nose and kind of comes up here on the side by the cheek and over here too, like that. Now let's do some ears. So great big, long, floppy ears. There's one. And our other one. Now let's do two lines for a neck. And now we can kind of do a little bit of a V shape here for the neck of the outfit. And we're going to do one arm here. He's going to have like his hand on his hip. So we can do like a great big sleeve and bring it on up here for a little elbow, and then bring it on here. And we do a line here for the trim of the sleeve. And we can have a little paw here. It's going to be on the hip. And do a little line right here because his fingers are a different color from the rest of his hand. Okay, and we can do a line right here. And I'm going to bring a line down this way. He's got a pretty long body. And we can draw a line down this way too. And we can go across right here. And I'm going to put a line down this way. Right there. And right here, let's do a little knot. We're going to draw like a little knot. So right here we kind of have like a chunky letter C. And coming on down with almost like a rectangle. And then we'll do like another one. And let's do like another little chunky piece here. So we've got kind of like a knot. And we can do another line right here and bring it across here. So we've got his belt. And now we can draw it this way and come on up. And almost like we have an upside down V right here. And come across. Okay. And now let's see. We can draw a line coming on down this way, following along the line here. Coming on down here. And we can do one on this side. And we can do the other shoulder and arm here now. So this is also going to be another hand on the hip. So we've got a lot of sleeve happening. And we do a line right here for the trim of the sleeve. And we've got a line right here. And we can see a foot sticking out right here. And we got another little line here. And let's do 2 more lines. And we can see it, part of the foot. So we got 1, 2, 3 little toes. And a foot here. So he's got like little itty bitty toenail claws on his feet. Like that. And we can draw a little line right here to separate the color here of his toes with the rest of his foot. I'm gonna put a little line right here, and right here. And now we are done our drawing, and I'm gonna get started with some coloring. All right, everyone, we are finished drawing Hank from Paws of Fury. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!